In this video, we're going to see type declaration in PHP. So you can declare the type of variable you are expecting in a function, and we will see why we use type declaration in applications. So let's get started. Let's talk about type declaration. So this is one of the concepts that is very important. So when you be going in and working with professional application, you will see it. So I just want to give you an example how these things work in PHP. So for example, we have this class, base class, and it is getting included here. Currently I have nothing in this index.php. So here I'm going to create a function. I'm just going to give it a visibility public, public function display data, just random name, and I'm going to return some value. So I'm just going to say here return $title. So currently we don't have $title. So what I do, I say we are passing this $title here. Now I put here that it should be string. All right, so we're just putting the type declaration here. Now when I go, I'm going to save here this, and in here I'm going to instantiate this class. I'm going to say new base, and then here I create a variable $base, and I'm going to call this function. So I say $base and then the display data. All right, now we need to pass string here, as we are saying here that it should be string, but I want to pass the number, so I just want to pass this number for now. All right, so we are returning here, so to see the output we need to echo it. So I say echo, I save this, we go to the browser, we see there refresh, and we see that number is printing. So okay, we said that it should be string, but it is not checking that currently. It is just getting that title and printing it straight away, returning it straight away. So in PHP we need to turn on the strict mode to make this work. So to do that, you simply can do this. You can go into top of your file, and there you just need to say declare, and there you can say strict type is equal to 1, and you just save this. Now when you have strict types is equal to 1, it is going to check, okay, now we are going to check if there is the same type of data is provided. So if I go to the browser and refresh the page, we get uncaught type error based base class and display function argument title must be type string integer given. All right, now for example, if I had another function, let's say display other data, and here I say the type should be integer and it's going to be $H, and I say here return H. All right, so we're going to call this function this time, and I'm going to pass some string. All right, so as it is checking for integer, it is going to give us the error. So if I refresh here, it's giving us the argument must be type integer string given. So you get the idea. This is very important because it's when you're working on a function and you know that you will be dealing with string or integer, you can put the type declaration in the function and you will get the data, the type you are looking for. Because if you are not getting that data, you are going to get the error, and it saves a lot of time in professional applications. So if I pass here number and I save this and we go here and refresh, we are going to get the number. So it checks for that. And now in PHP we have the option to disable it. So if we don't provide this declaration, we don't have this. So even you can run functions without it, so functions will work without any problem, but you will see these, so you should know how things work when it is defined and used as strict. Hope you like this. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.